Hi, this short video is about setting up an AmiBroker database with the InteractiveBrokers data plugin of .NET for AmiBroker. I already have TWS installed and set up. I have configured it to accept external connection. You have to check this checkbox, and you also have to either check this one or set up the trusted IP addresses of other machines. So this one is ready to accept incoming calls for this port. I have AmiBroker installed locally on this machine. So let's start AmiBroker. I have .NET for AmiBroker installed. It is actually developer edition, but you can use standard edition as well. So let's create a new database. Let's call this ID. Let's select .NET Data Source Data Plugin. This is general .NET Data Source Plugin. Let's make it just an hourly database, and let's configure it. And here you can select the actual .NET data source type, which is InteractiveBrokers. As TWS and AmiBroker on the same machine, you don't have to change anything here. You can enable automatic backfill. It runs every day at 1 AM it backfills for a day data. And here you can set backtick filtering. It allows automatic symbol update at backfill, which means that tick size, point value, and so on is updated. Okay, so now it's all set up. Let's click, and the data plugin is already connected to TWS. So now we have an empty database, and now we have to add tickers. There are many ways to add tickers to the database. One of them is just entering it manually, or we can import it from a TLS file, or the third way is that you just click Find IB Contract. Here you can enter search criteria for IB contracts. For the simplicity, let's look for some Forex contracts. Okay, so here we get the data from IB contract database, and let's add a few major crosses. As I clicked add, it shows this little warning. Okay, and it says that you have to click view refresh all, because AmiBroker doesn't always refresh its UI. So now we have all the tickers that is selected in the search window set up here. If you click one of them, it will immediately backfill the data for that ticker, and it also updates the symbol data. For example, this is the ticker, this is the full name, alias, its actual currency, and the web ID. It also sets the tick size and point value from the InteractiveBrokers contract database, so you don't have to enter these manually. Okay, so let's see what we can do here in the menu, in the plugin menu. You can backfill the current symbol, you can backfill a watch list, To do this, you have to actually add tickers to the watch list, and before doing anything with the watch list, you have to save the database. So now you may say backfill watch list. Let's say you just backfill the list 0, and we can start the backfill. You can backfill all the symbols in the database or cancel all the backfills. By selecting update symbol data, you just update this information. You can open up the IB contract from the menu, from the web. You can see the definition and the data of the actual contract. And you can also open the log file just to see what's going on, or if anything bad is happening with the data plugin.